All right, let's get into it, guys. I am out here on a very lovely day. I have this TargetLock set up, but we are going to go through a few things that will help you guys out. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, but let's get straight into it. This menu button over on the right-hand side is something that a lot of guys have been complaining about. How do I get that off of my screen? I would rather be able to see my full screen. Right now, as you see, I have it set out to 80 feet and set out to, what is that, about 40 feet on the depth. But if you are able to expand that out all the way, you will be able to use the full length of that screen. So what you have to do is go into your settings to adjust that. But actually what this is there are two different panes on here. This is going to be your left, this is going to be your right. So whenever you go in here to the menu button, you will see that the active pane is set on the left side. That is why this is highlighted. If you take that over, let me just go back up here to the top to that menu. Just bear with me, guys. And change that to right, you see that now it is over on the right side. So now this menu is highlighted, but what you want to do is actually highlight that left pane. So go back over here to the left and all the way down here at the bottom, let me just go all the way down. You will see your megalive remote, and that megalive remote needs to be turned off. And as you will see, it removed that second pane over here. So now you have access to the full screen. All right, guys, hope that quick tip helped you out. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will be putting out a lot more of these quick tutorials that will help you guys get better and faster out on the water with getting things set up the way that you want to go. All right, really appreciate you supporting the channel.